I used to be 320 pounds, and I've lost 160 pounds, and I have no loose skin, and I'm going to tell you why. Most dermatologists won't tell you this, but I will tell you the one thing that helped me have no loose skin.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
What's the real reason, Penelope? Tell us why you have zero loose skin.
Drum roll, please. It's because you encouraged me to do oil massage every day. I think that played a good role. I'm going to say oil massage.
So Penelope, what is the real reason that you have zero loose skin after losing such a massive amount of weight?
I ate whole foods in my weight loss journey. And whole foods meaning no weird diet products. So I used to try those like for maybe a week or so before I found Step It Up.
You mean those skinny cows and the Cool Whip?
The skinny cows, the Cool Whip, the 90-calorie protein bars. If you know, you know.
Yeah.
And those were bad. You told me, hey, Penelope, those have cottonseed oil, like weird oils that I can't even pronounce. And if you can't pronounce it, don't eat it.
I mean, people want shortcuts. I get it. I mean, it feels like, oh, this is more convenient. But, learning new skills is required. If you want change, you got to change something. And your food does play a really big role. And your dermatologist doesn't really know. I mean, I happen to have learned about nutritional psychology and culinary medicine. That's just been my obsession for the last 30 plus years. I mean, I have degrees and certificates and all of these things, but even if I didn't, I'm just obsessed with it. Penelope knows, like I literally was just researching before this video, like the healing benefits of nasturtium microgreens, which might be mumbo jumbo to you, but I'm like totally blown away at the healing potential of food. And I was really pushing back, which was kind of naughty of me.
I'm really glad you did it though, because I have no loose skin.
At least you were trying,
I'm glad you did it. I'm super glad you did it. And also, you guys, what she told me and she advised me to do was oil massage, which I never would have thought. Who thinks oil massage is going to change having loose skin or not? Like I didn't conceptualize it at the time because I didn't realize how fat I was.
Well, I think that when you have over 100 pounds to lose, it feels like a really, really far away. It's like it's never fast enough. Nothing's working fast enough. Like I'm never going to be thin. There is this spirit of hopelessness, and that's a lie. If someone's trying to tell you that the answer is outside of yourself, if your dermatologist is saying, oh, take this pill and let's schedule this surgery for your loose skin, and oh, you need the gastric bypass or you need this injection. I mean, bless them. They don't have better solutions. That's what they were trained to offer you, but that isn't the truth. And you might know it deep down inside. It's not the truth, and we are living proof. We've lost 260 pounds as a mother-daughter. We have healed our relationship with food. We are healing our relationship with food, and we are looking at ourselves honestly in the mirror every day, and we are stepping it up, and we know that you can too. And the real reason is because we believe in natural healing modalities. We believe in using nature to heal our bodies from the inside out and the outside in. And we understand about how our mitochondria work. We understand about how our psychology works. We understand about how to build healthy skin from the inside out and how to truly heal. Healing is such an important part of this journey. Penelope, you said to me the other day, if I knew it would have tasted this good, I would have started a long time ago.
That's true, I would have. If you want amazing whole food recipes that blow your mind and your family's mind and don't contain addictive, weird chemicals and ingredients that are going to give you more loose skin, then definitely check out our Substack. We post all of our amazing recipes. We cook all of our meals at home from scratch. We're really into food and nourishing traditions, so please go subscribe to our Substack.
And if you think like, oh, there are those kind of people, like they make all of their food at home, guys, gals, you got to get back in the kitchen. First of all, it's hot, it's fun, and it is the truth about the real reason we feel so great and we look good and people are like, what are you doing? Because you just keep looking better. I have a friend who reached out to me who's like a friend, has been a friend of mine for over 20 years. And she's like, oh my gosh, you look better than you did 20 years ago.
Comment down below how many of you guys think that this woman is about to turn 50 years old.
Oh, I'm not sure I want to see that.
She doesn't look 50. And I'm be honest with her. She doesn't look 50 to me. Tell me how old you do think she looks in the comments down
I don't
below.
have any injections. I don't have any surgeries on my face. I don't have surgeries anywhere. Like, guys, we're the real deal. We're not trying to fake you out. We are walking the walk. We are talking the talk. And that's why we created the Tight Skin Club. This is something that Penelope dreamed up. And I'm so glad she did. If you want to get all of our tips, tricks, and secrets, you will join us in the Tight Club. The link is in the description below. And we will see you in there because we want to get to know you a little better.
And hey, maybe you want to invite your friends or gift it to your friends because you're like, yeah, you guys might need this. So that's totally fine. You can do that too.
That would be so fun to get a
can
group
do
of
that.
girls like in there,
Yeah.
the tight club, the
tight
tight club girls. You want to be part of our tight club? Because, I mean, come on.
The girls are joining, so just don't miss out.
If you don't want to cook, I'm sorry for you. You know, honestly, like who's going to cook? You think you can trust like the bottom line of the restaurants and the fast food restaurants?
There's nothing hotter than a tight, fit, and healthy woman
Who knows
in the
how to
kitchen who knows how to cook. You want a man? You got to lose weight and get in the kitchen. It's that simple.
I mean, we can make the most amazing meals in under 20 minutes. And I want you to develop that skill. If no one taught you, it's not your fault, but come on, let's change it. Let's change it today.
Don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to share this video with someone you love, comment something you learned down below, and subscribe.